What I'm going to show you today is how to set up a website with Staunch Hosting, assuming you have a domain purchased through another vendor like GoDaddy or Yahoo or somebody else. The first thing you want to do is go to your GoDaddy website or whoever your vendor is, and you want to go to your domain management. Different vendors have different names for this. You're going to click on the domain you want to host with Staunch. And then you're going to find DNS management. Once again, everybody has their own way to do this. And we're going to click Launch. So the first thing we want to do is set the www or the @ So see this, for this, the @ sign is very similar to, it means the root. So for this site, it would be shakeitoffdiet.com without the no www. And then you have www, and it points to @. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the www, and we're going to remove these guys up here too. We're going to save the zone file, and that's just going to get rid of all of our temporary settings here. The other thing we're going to do is just get rid of all these extra settings and features and things like that. She doesn't need it. Okay. Save. So now the DNS is nice and clean. Now, if you're using other services, do not delete. I just wanted to start with a clean template for demo purposes here. So the first thing we're going to do is add a CNAME. An alias is something that points to a different name. So we're going to say www. It's going to go to web2.staunchhosting.com. And the reason why you want to point to this is because we have multiple redundant internet connections for this web2.staunchhosting.com. So if your primary alias points there, then you're going to be protected. So we're going to go ahead and save the zone file. And while this can take like she said, up to 24 hours to propagate. So we're going to go to Staunch Hosting, Account Management. Sorry. We're going to go to Get Started. We're going to set up a website. We're going to choose .NET Nuke Hosting. If you just need a simple HTML website, maybe the Staunch Hosting is good. Staunch Basic Hosting. For her, we're going to set up a .NET Nuke website. Continue. You're going to associate a domain. And here we're going to use an existing domain because we already have the domain we want. So if we come down to our DNS, you'll see the domain name right here, shakeitoffdiet.com. Copy that. We're going to paste it right there. And you'll see www.shakeitoffdiet.com. Associate domain. And then we're going to continue with the order. And you'll see here .NET Nuke Hosting, shakeitoffdiet.com. And here you can either, if you're already an existing customer, you can go ahead and put that information there, or you can create a new account. For security purposes, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for this. You're going to run the video, type in your credentials and hit create account. Make sure your email address is your username to log in. So once you create your account, it will say you're ready to go ahead and check out. Once again, for security purposes, I'm just going to say pay by invoice. If you choose to pay by invoice, the system will not automatically provision your account. You'll need to pay the invoice before it'll set up your website. So if you choose pay by invoice, you'll need to call our support office to get that set up. Hit checkout, and in a few moments, the site will be provisioned. Video 2 will show you how to set up your .NET Nuke website.